Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Amazon Prime account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website and log in using your email address and password. Make sure you are using a secure network. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over Account and list in the upper right corner. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access the security settings. In your account page, find the Login and Security option. Click on it to view your security settings, including the option for two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the two-step verification 2SV settings section. Click on it next to it, and then follow the prompts to enable 2FA. You will need to provide a mobile phone number for receiving verification codes. Step 5. Confirm your settings. After entering your phone number, Amazon will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter the code to confirm your phone number and complete the setup. Make sure to save any backup codes provided for future access. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Amazon Prime account with two-factor authentication. Stay safe online.